Hey guys, welcome back. And on this episode, I'm going to be going over my new Cobalt 129 piece tool set. I got this as a gift, and before I open it, I thought I would share with you guys. So, inside this tool set, you have the 129 pieces. You have both SAE and metric measurements, and you can see all the tools pictured here, from sockets to screwdrivers to wrenches to Allen wrenches, extensions for the wrenches. You have everything really, and it is a lifetime guarantee, so I think it's pretty neat. The box itself is pretty sturdy, like any other toolbox you would buy. Weighs a bit too. Let's see, flip it around here. On the other side, just some more information, all the disclaimers, what's included in the set, and of course, company branding right here. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see. Let's open this up. It seems to be stuck. Let's see. Put this down real quick. I'll get it going. There we go. I'll open it up like this. There we go. Let's see here. Nice, beautifully laid out. Here, you have your different Allen wrenches. You got both your metric, and you got your SAE. So they're even colored in different colors too. It's pretty cool. Put that over here. Got the cover. Then you got a sticker, Cobalt branded sticker. That's pretty cool. And it's got the different tools right here. Go from here, 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 here. It's your standard tool set. Everyone should have a tool set, whether it's in the back of your car, garage. It's always good to have tools on hand, especially if you're taking long road trips. You never know if something might break down, you need to replace something. Just never know. So it's always good to have. So I'm just going to do a couple pan shots here just to see everything in detail. If you're watching the video, I would assume that you know a little bit about tools, so there's no need to really go into much debate, discussion. They are what they are, and they're right here. So let's just go over a little quick glance of what's included, what's not included. Pretty neat too. Here, 14-piece set. And got everything over here. Main tools I'd probably be using are the wrenches, the extensions. I've been doing a lot of work on my car lately, so I had to run to Walmart one day and buy just like a quick $10 set, but that $10 set didn't last that well, so I ended up getting this as a gift. So I have no reason to go and borrow a family member's tools now, so I got my own set now. So it works out well. And I'm pretty sure this will last me a while. Well, if not forever. That's the goal, so. There we go. And here's my tool set. 129 pieces. Cobalt brand. So let's go fix some stuff. Later. See you guys in the next one. If you like the video, comment, subscribe, like, do your thing. What tool sets do you guys have? What do you guys think of this tool set in particular? I want to hear what you guys have to say. So leave a comment down below, and we'll catch you later. See ya.